Hi, Sophie. I can't believe it's been 3 years. Hi, Sophie. I can't believe it's been 3 years.
I know, James. I've missed seeing you in person. I know, James. I've missed seeing you in person.
Same here. How have you been coping with the pandemic? Same here. How have you been coping with the pandemic?
It's been tough, but I'm getting by. How about you? It's been tough, but I'm getting by. How about you?
Same. It's been a challenge adjusting to the new normal. Same. It's been a challenge adjusting to the new normal.
I agree. But we're resilient, aren't we? I agree. But we're resilient, aren't we?
Absolutely. Have you been working from home? Absolutely. Have you been working from home?
Yes, I have. It has its perks and challenges. Yes, I have. It has its perks and challenges.
I hear you. I sometimes miss the office environment. I hear you. I sometimes miss the office environment.
Me too, especially the coffee breaks and casual chats. Me too, especially the coffee breaks and casual chats.
Oh, those were the days. How's your family? Oh, those were the days. How's your family?
They're good, thank you. We've all been staying safe. Yours? They're good, thank you. We've all been staying safe. Yours?
Same here. Everyone's well, thankfully. Same here. Everyone's well, thankfully.
That's great to hear. That's great to hear.
Have you picked up any new hobbies during the lockdown? Have you picked up any new hobbies during the lockdown?
Yes, I've started gardening. It's therapeutic. Yes, I've started gardening. It's therapeutic.
That sounds lovely. I've been doing some yoga at home. That sounds lovely. I've been doing some yoga at home.
That's excellent. Yoga is a great way to de-stress. That's excellent. Yoga is a great way to de-stress.
Yes, it's been really helpful. Did you bake sourdough too? Yes, it's been really helpful. Did you bake sourdough too?
Haha, guilty. That was an interesting phase. Haha, guilty. That was an interesting phase.
I believe we all became amateur bakers. I believe we all became amateur bakers.
That's true. It's funny how we found similar interests. That's true. It's funny how we found similar interests.
Indeed. Did you read any good books? Indeed. Did you read any good books?
I read Educated by Tara Westover. I highly recommend it. I read Educated by Tara Westover. I highly recommend it.
I'll definitely add it to my list. I've been reading a lot too. I'll definitely add it to my list. I've been reading a lot too.
Oh, any recommendations? Oh, any recommendations?
Where the Crawdads Sing is a must-read. Where the Crawdads Sing is a must-read.
Noted. I'll check it out. Noted. I'll check it out.
Did you do any online courses? Did you do any online courses?
Yes, I did a course on digital marketing. It was quite insightful. Yes, I did a course on digital marketing. It was quite insightful.
That's interesting. I did one on graphic design. That's interesting. I did one on graphic design.
That's cool. It's good to learn new skills. That's cool. It's good to learn new skills.
True. Have you been doing any virtual meetups? True. Have you been doing any virtual meetups?
Yes, it's the closest we can get to socializing these days. Yes, it's the closest we can get to socializing these days.
Exactly. We should do a virtual movie night. Exactly. We should do a virtual movie night.
That's a great idea. Let's do it. That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Perfect. How's your pet? Perfect. How's your pet?
He's doing well. A great company during these times. He's doing well. A great company during these times.
Pets are indeed a blessing. Did you try any home workouts? Pets are indeed a blessing. Did you try any home workouts?
Yes, they're surprisingly effective. Yes, they're surprisingly effective.
I know, right? I've been following some YouTube channels. I know, right? I've been following some YouTube channels.
Me too. They're quite motivating. Me too. They're quite motivating.
They are. Have you traveled anywhere after the restrictions eased? They are. Have you traveled anywhere after the restrictions eased?
Just some local trips. Nothing major yet. Just some local trips. Nothing major yet.
Same here. It's best to be cautious. Same here. It's best to be cautious.
Agreed. How's your cooking skills now? Agreed. How's your cooking skills now?
Improved, I would say. Had a lot of practice. Improved, I would say. Had a lot of practice.
Same here. I can finally make a decent lasagna. Same here. I can finally make a decent lasagna.
That's great. I've perfected my pasta sauce. That's great. I've perfected my pasta sauce.
We should have a cook-off someday. We should have a cook-off someday.
That sounds fun. We should definitely plan that. That sounds fun. We should definitely plan that.
Definitely. Have you been keeping up with your music? Definitely. Have you been keeping up with your music?
Yes, I've been playing the guitar more often. Yes, I've been playing the guitar more often.
That's great. Music is a good companion. That's great. Music is a good companion.
Indeed. It's been a real support. Indeed. It's been a real support.
Same for me with my painting. Same for me with my painting.
That's wonderful. We have come a long way, haven't we? That's wonderful. We have come a long way, haven't we?
We certainly have. Looking forward to seeing you in person soon. We certainly have. Looking forward to seeing you in person soon.
Me too. Let's hope for the best. Stay safe. Me too. Let's hope for the best. Stay safe.
You too. Let's catch up soon again. You too. Let's catch up soon again.
Question 1. What has James been finding challenging during the pandemic? A. Meeting friends. B. Adjusting to the new normal. C. Gardening. D. Reading books. The answer is B. Adjusting to the new normal. Question 2. Who misses the coffee breaks and casual chats at the office? A. James. B. Sophie. C. Both James and Sophie. D. Neither James nor Sophie. The answer is C. Both James and Sophie. Question 3. What hobby did Sophie take up during the lockdown? A. Painting. B. Yoga. C. Gardening. D. Reading. The answer is C. Gardening. Question 4. What is James' new hobby during the lockdown? A. Cooking. B. Yoga. C. Reading. D. Painting. The answer is B. Yoga. Question 5. What online course did Sophie take during the lockdown? A. Digital marketing. B. Graphic design. C. Yoga teacher training. D. Cooking classes. The answer is A. Digital marketing. Question 6. What virtual activity did James suggest to Sophie? A. Virtual cooking class. B. Virtual movie night. C. Online book club. D. Online yoga session. The answer is B. Virtual movie night. Question 7. What new cooking skill has Sophie learned during the pandemic? A. Making sushi. B. Baking bread. C. Making lasagna. D. Grilling steak. The answer is C. Making lasagna. Question 8. What workout has James been following during the pandemic? A. Gym workouts. B. Home workouts by YouTube channels. C. Yoga. D. Running marathons. The answer is B. Home workouts by YouTube channels. Question 9. What future activity do James and Sophie plan? A. A cook-off. B. A virtual book club. C. A trip together. D. A painting session. The answer is A. A cook-off. Question 10. What hobby does Sophie find supportive? A. Reading. B. Painting. C. Yoga. D. Gardening. The answer is B. Painting.
Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you in next video. Bye.